So today we will learn about what is greenhouse effect and global warming. Greenhouse effect is the process by which radiations from the sun are absorbed by the greenhouse gases and not reflected back into the space. This insulates the surface of the earth and prevents it from freezing. So what are greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gases are the gases which produces the greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide, methane are the major contributors in greenhouse effect. Chlorofluorocarbon and nitrous oxide also trap sun's heat to cause greenhouse effect. Let's see the importance of greenhouse effect. Without greenhouse effect, the average temperature of the earth would have been a chilly -18 degrees Celsius. What is global warming? Global warming is the gradual and continuous increase in average temperature of surface of earth as a result of increase in concentration of greenhouse gases. Now let's see the effects of global warming. Earth's temperature has increased by 0.6 degrees Celsius in the last 3 decades. This causes change in precipitation patterns. The high levels of temperature led to increased weed growth, eruption of diseases and pests. Thus the crop productivity will decrease. The high temperature will result in melting of polar ice caps, which will lead to the rise in sea level, and many coastal areas will be submerged. Let's see the methods to control global warming. The first method is cutting down the use of fossil fuels. The second method is improving efficiency of energy usage. The third method to reduce global warming is reducing deforestation. The fourth method is planting trees and slowing down the growth of human population. The fifth method is taking international initiatives to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere.